You searched how to buy shares of Snowflake Inc., and this video shows the basic steps. Snowflake is a cloud data platform company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker SNOW, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SNOW to find Snowflake's listing. Choose the result that clearly matches Snowflake Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct asset. On the asset page, you will see a short company description and a price chart for the stock. Double-check the page shows Snowflake Inc., NASDAQ, and ticker SNOWA before proceeding. Tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled or pending, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the same example, link to eToro is in the description below.